Good morning, guys. Just me. Just woke up. The time now is 1:15. I just woke up and this is now. Well, I'm not feeling well yesterday, but I'm trying to be energized and have to do some uploading from to do some upload. So anyway, real talk today regarding about life. I think, especially now with the economy is not nice, but not it's good in Western Australia, but a lot of people as well is get laid off from work because now wages will go up. I think the yearly thing is low here in Western Australia. That every year um, they have their wages will go up. So anyway, I'm not feeling 100%, I think, because of the weather, but I'm trying to push myself to get up and actually got sweat yesterday after taking my cold and flu tablets, and that's what helped me. I got a bit of a body ache and pain, so I got a bug, I think. But anyway, straight to the point, what I've noticed in my life. Um, so when this happened that I'm not well, I try to refocus on my brain or something, or refocus what need to be done, or to relax a little bit today because of what I feel. So what I'm gonna do today is just talking to you guys because I think today is I have to take it easy because I need to go back to work tomorrow. So I need to make sure that I'm fully recovered before I go back to work. Anyway, I have to show you some knowledge or some what I've been experiencing in my life that what helped me to go through to how to recover from injuries and how to make the wrong and bad incident to get it better, to turn it in a good one. What I did is, as when I saw the counseling, they taught me the way how and I want to share it to you guys because I think it helped me a lot. How I managed to go back to come back to myself that otherwise because I'm a physical person and being a physical person is good to keep you motivated to keep you to help you it's a part of my exercise actually because you keep moving. So when I had my injury I can't really do physical a lot because I'm focusing on my recovery of my injuries. Anyway, to make the story short, all I did mentally is I follow what my counseling psychologist told me what to do when in time of crisis, in times of how to deal with the problem. Is just refocus, close your eyes, and think about the good things what you achieve in your life. Things about the things that even the small thing is be grateful of it and it will help you in the long run because what it is as well is you don't need somebody's how do you call it, you don't need somebody's see my lip is dry, I just woke up, no, I did not wash my face yet and I did not brush my teeth either. But you can't smell me anyway. I just sit down here just in that moment. I want to share because I've been outside to keep look after my carer because I just given him when we saw a doctor just the other time we saw him, we given us the tablets for him to take for his diabetic. So he's been doing the gardening which is good, will help with his health as well. But I have to keep an eye because this tablet is new and make sure that the blood pressure is not go low. Otherwise we got problems. That's why I keep an eye on him. So I have to sit down outside. Now it's raining. So that's why it's a chance for me now to sit down here and have a chat to you guys. Anyway, back to my stories. I got interrupted again. So this is a problem. I got a bit of ADHD. So if something interrupt, it make me out of focus. So I'm trying to focus on the things that what I have to say. So we go back to the to that situation that I have to refocus to get that. I think in life is when everything out of balance, you try to just, I think the power of mindset, you change your mindset that I'm trying to focus to the things what need to be done. Um, so the same as when you are where you are, what you're doing, um, of that moment, when you focus what need to be done, and then if you done even just one, it help you keep you motivated to keep going. And I think that's the one that it helped me for me. And sometimes if you got just one project or one things that to be focused that would need to be done of that day, that at least you feel that you achieved something to um, to keep you going. You know what I mean? So today, this is what I want to share you. Excuse me. Um, Regarding that, I think is the power of mindset that I know it sometimes is hard to get motivated, but um, so always think about what your achievement, that goal, and what can help you in the long term. Because especially for me, honesty is the best policy. Especially if you think that you done nothing wrong, and especially that you feel that you done your best, and of anything what you do in your life, and even here being blogging, even here on Facebook or YouTube that in YT that what you do in life is just showing your lifestyle or showing your capability, showing your integrity, showing your who you really are, and other people will like you, other people will not like you, but that's the problem. As long as you're telling the truth, you're telling someone follow you of who you are, someone follow you of, you know, uh, because you like your content or they like your you as a person. If they don't like you, sometimes we need that buzzer sometime in our life to keep, but sometimes it's not good for our health. But when we are here in social media, we have to have a tough face, strong face, or strong attitude that we can handle all the things that what we put to us. We have to put up with it so that we can Kano is laughing because she's thinking that I'm talking to by myself. So yeah. So instead, I'm thinking I'm getting crazy now. Excuse me, please. Can I have a coffee, please?
Where is that lid of the sugar?
I think I dropped it somewhere. I've been looking for it.
No,
I tried to make a coffee this morning.
there was nothing there.
Yeah, I know. And then I'm looking for it. I think I dropped it. I'll find it later. So I've been looking for it and I can't find it. I don't know. So probably because I need a coffee. And I drop it somewhere and I can't find it. So when I'm not that's the tablet. You need that one when you go out to the chemist later on, please. Yeah, that's run out. You got only one left for tomorrow. So if you could get that one later on, if you go to the shop, please. Thank you. Anyway, guys, so this is not my point. Is if we just focus. Actually, if we notice that people that focus on what things that what they want to do that day or what's their plan, and you can achieve it through careful planning or careful doing it. Slowly, if you can't do it in a day, at least you're about to do it, or you're planning to do it in the future. As long as you start something, and then slowly, you're not realizing that you achieved something. But while we're doing it, and it's a part of your, how do you call it? Sometimes you don't like what you're doing, but I think it's better that you like what you're doing, because I achieve a lot of things when I love what I do. And sometimes you don't like what you do, but you have to do it because you get paid to do it. You know what I mean? And sometimes, even you don't like that to do, even you don't like what you want to do, but if you manage to liking it, I think you get the benefit of it because at the end you realize that you're liking it at the end actually because I think it's the power of mindset, okay, all right, because I've been using it in my own experience and actually it's working. And actually it become but more mostly actually is the things that what I like doing and that's what helped me because you don't feel you even you feel tired
Did you want
you
anything?
yes a coffee place
Who are you talking to?
myself on the phone so I'm just doing the blogging. I think especially him now he think that I'm getting crazy.
I have to find another question.
Excuse me.
What do you want, coffee?
Yeah, so probably yeah, I got cough now because of I think he don't know because especially of his age now as well. He don't know what I'm doing.
Talk to yourself.
So he said I'm getting crazy because I'm talking to myself. But this is like I'm doing a message for my content, okay? So anyway, guys, thank you for watching and listening. I hope you get something on my video, and so this is could see it is raw, it is real because I'm getting interacting with you, but I get interrupt with my carer, and just for the day. Today is Thursday. It's a bit cloudy outside. You could see, and it's about to rain. That's why I can't do much. I'm not feeling well, but I'm pushing myself to do something to keep me feel like I got something have been done for today. Anyway, thank you for watching and love you all. Bye for now.